So similarly now, you can define or derive velocity of a wave. Velocity of a wave. Wave ची velocity, particle ची nahi. These are two different things. Particle is in oscillation. त्याची velocity वेगळी. आणि wave velocity म्हणजे ज्या स्पीडनी, ज्या velocityनी disturbance पुढे जात आहे, that is velocity of the wave. Wave velocity. So we are talking about wave velocity. Particle velocity is different. So velocity is, or magnitude of velocity is distance upon time. So wave velocity or wave speed will be distance traveled. Suppose if you take it lambda, इथून इथपर्यंतचा distance lambda. एवढा distance travel करण्यासाठी वेव्हला टाइम लागतो इक्वल टू कॅपिटल टी. डिस्टन्स लॅम्बडा ट्रॅव्हल करण्यासाठी वेळ किती लागतो? कॅपिटल टी. म्हणजे जेवढ्या वेळेत पार्टिकल एक ऑसिलेशन पूर्ण करतो, किती वेळेत करतो तो? टाइम इक्वल टू कॅपिटल टी मध्ये. जेवढ्या वेळेत पार्टिकल एक ऑसिलेशन पूर्ण करतो, तेवढ्या वेळेत वेव्ह किती पुढे जाते? लॅम्बडा एवढ्या डिस्टन्सनी पुढे जाते. So if the distance traveled by the wave is lambda, the time taken is capital T. This is very important. Remember this. What do you mean by capital T? Time taken by the particle to complete one oscillation. आणि तेवढ्या वेळेत, म्हणजे किती वेळेत? जेवढ्या वेळेत पार्टिकल एक ऑसिलेशन पूर्ण करतो, तेवढ्या वेळेत वेव्ह किती पुढे जाते? इक्वल टू wavelength lambda. So if you take distance lambda, time is capital T. So V will be equal to lambda into 1 upon T. What is this 1 upon T? Frequency N. So you can say that V is equal to N lambda. This is general formula for velocity of a wave. V is equal to N lambda, whereas V means wave velocity, N means frequency of the wave, and lambda means wavelength. So this is velocity of a wave. देख लो एक बार. Suppose this is a wave. This is distance lambda. Means after a distance lambda, the same form is repeated. Same wave is repeated after a distance lambda. Repetition takes place, means it is a periodic motion. What is meant by periodic motion? Which repeats itself. So the wave is repeated after equal distances. Equal distances नंतर wave तशीच काय होते? Repeat होते. Means wave is periodic in space. The wave is periodic in space, means it repeats itself after equal distances. Means it is periodic in space. इथून इथपर्यंत साठी वेळ किती लागतो? कॅपिटल टी. परत इथून इथपर्यंत किती वेळ लागणार? कॅपिटल टी. मीन्स वेव्ह रिपीट्स इटसेल्फ आफ्टर इक्वल इंटरवल्स ऑफ टाइम ऑल्सो. Wave repeats itself after equal intervals of time, means it is periodic in time. So wave is periodic in space and periodic in time. It repeats itself after equal distances, and it repeats itself after equal intervals of time. Means wave is doubly periodic. Wave is said to be doubly periodic. It is periodic in space and periodic in time. So wave is doubly periodic. So what is a wave? Mechanical wave, an oscillatory disturbance traveling through the medium without change of form. In the last lecture, we saw that what happens when disturbance is created, the particle starts oscillating, then it transfers the energy to the neighboring particle. It also starts oscillating. It transfers energy to the next particle, that also starts oscillating. In this way, one after the other, the particles get disturbed, and the disturbance travels, particles do not travel. And all the particles are performing which motion? Oscillatory motion, that is simple harmonic motion. So all the particles in a wave, they are performing simple harmonic motion. Hence, wave is called simple harmonic progressive wave. Such type of wave is called simple harmonic progressive wave. It is called simple harmonic because all the particles are performing simple harmonic motion, and it is called progressive wave because it is propagating, it is moving forward, therefore it is progressive. So a wave is called a simple harmonic progressive wave. So in this section, in this chapter, we are talking about simple harmonic progressive waves, of course mechanical, isn't it? So simple harmonic progressive wave, in which what is transferred? Energy is transferred. Material is not transferred. Particles don't move. So material is not transferred. What is transferred there? Energy is transferred, or you can say momentum is transferred. Energy is transferred, energy travels, or momentum is transferred. Momentum, you know, mass into velocity, mass of the particle into velocity of the particle. So that momentum is transferred from one particle to the other. So when a simple harmonic progressive wave travels, the energy is transferred, momentum is transferred, but material is not transferred. So now you study the basics of all this. आज त्याचा व्यवस्थित अभ्यास करा. What is amplitude, what is frequency, what is wavelength, wave कशी तयार होते, कशी पुढे जाते, all these concepts, these are basic things. आज त्याचा अभ्यास करा आपल्या टेक्स्टबुक मधून. आपल्याकडे जी टेक्स्टबुक आहे CBSE ची असेल or whatever it is, and then tomorrow we shall go into details of all this. So have a nice time. Good day. Bye bye.